大家好，歡迎收睇我頻道。咁今次我哋改計劃改打呢個啦，聖誕大戰同埋三分大賽咧，條片咧我哋就唔見咗啦。咁我哋等下一個賽季啦。呢個可以打25-26賽季啦。咁我着城市，佢着經典配色嘅。我邀請咗 Matthew 佢同我哋玩 MP2K 嘅，多謝你抽空嚟玩，好唔好？
唔係客氣啦你，係啊。
我講下先。我跟住 Nicholas Batum， 我就炒個 Danny Green， 佢太老啦，咁我準備炒下 Nicholas Batum 嘅咯，太老啦，全部都係。
我哋
但係 Bacon Center 咧就係俾阿 Matthew 咧改咗，跟住咧雷霆咧個標誌咧又改咗，冇我哋呢啲立體相啊。
好多觀眾咯，都係把聲係 All Star 嘅，把聲
佢改個主場，
所以把聲咪 All Star 咯。
你講。做咩係
cut time out。
我冇係 cut time out。我講下計劃先。
我哋做咩唔開翻窗？開翻窗點扶下光咧？可以咁樣㗎，如果咁樣。
Oh, Robert James！ Robert James。
It's the help defense that makes you elite. And on that night, nobody rotating and not a lot of help. James finds Wembanyama. Here's Paul. Pass to James. Second chance shot. Off the left rim and out. Well, they shouldn't be giving that shot to anyone, or they certainly shouldn't be giving it to him. That's a big break.
Oh, that's right.
Oklahoma City shooting their first free throws of the night. Taking 2 shots.
NBA TV。
He hits the second to the line.
我贏緊啊！
Lakers have gone 1 of 4 to begin this one. They double team Paul.
真冇。
And wrestling for it there, but Nova has possession. So that's a jump ball. So it's Los Angeles now. Time now to hear from our reporter, Allie LaForce.
I caught up with Coach Greg Popovich. We discussed the challenges a player like Giannis Antetokounmpo presents for his defense. And Coach responded saying he's a handful for sure. I told our guys to make sure we seal up any lanes to the basket.
Wemby。
No.
It won't be easy, but Coach feels like they'll be able to make it a little more difficult for Giannis. Guys.
And Allie, thanks.
Oh, yeah, J-Dub。
It's Williams up the drive. They get the rebound. It's deflected. When it comes to contested shots, Ellis is showing us that he's got a great team. And they get it back. Here's the captain. Oh my. What a display of effort. That's his bread and butter, right? Chasing down the boards. Stick with fundamentals there. Shot goes up, box out, or he'll destroy you.
Oh。 Giannis Antetokounmpo。 He frees Giannis a Kupo。呢個公鹿把聲咯。好。主導進攻嘅楊力斯。哇！
好勁啊！
我啲選手抽用咗阿 Basel 使14抽。嚇？唔好嗌全名啊！哇！咁垃圾嘅。
Changes already. This one's gonna be a battle for sure. And down it goes.
Yes.
頭啊，會發展啊！
係咩教嚟㗎？
因為
啱啱開始錄嘅咋。
Here's your Western Conference Player of the Week, Giannis Antetokounmpo. He has been so impressive on defense, and it really comes down to effort. He's been working so hard to terrorize the offense and keep them under pressure at all times.
有冇改咗個動畫？
信封係咩嚟㗎？
唔知啊。
And so it's
我都唔知啊。
Alexander with it. He brings it up for Oklahoma City. They trail by one. They're looking for a little bit of redemption in this one after the loss.
暑期功課帶晒未啊？
帶晒。
Is about effort and energy.
黃色你將我叫你交嗰啲回條俾晒㗎。
俾晒啦。
有冇叫你帶自己證？
冇。
The captain misses. No question who's in control of the board so far. Antetokounmpo pass to James. Here's the captain. 5 points in the game. Puts it up for 12. Oh, it's blocked by Wembanyama. With great mobility in the 8-foot wingspan. Yes, 8 foot. Wembanyama easily wipes that shot away.
唉，痛！
Here's the captain, continuing to put up the points, averaging 14 per game. He drops it for three. Already 7 changes. These teams are really going after each other. It's been a brutal game to play, but a fun one to watch. Antetokounmpo. That ball was nice speed that time from James. James has got his 3rd assist of the night.
4頭
Now
先
here's
生。
Gilgeous Alexander. He had a 12-point outing in their last game against the Lakers.
哦！
Just 12 big points. He beat everyone to the boards.
點解你要請 CP 啊？
When's the last time you've seen CP
球場指揮官。
to the rim? Oklahoma City has gone 1 for 3 from beyond the arc.
或者請水行合力雷霆啊！
Offensive rebound. And the foul is called. He missed it, so he's got a couple of free throws coming his way. It's going to be on Victor Wembanyama. Oklahoma City shooting their 3rd and 4th free throw shots of the night.
冇打佢講埋先。
Off on Howard, so he goes 1 of 2 at the line. The Lakers have got half their attempts to go, 6 of 12. Here's Buzelis. Soft touch off the glass. Their offense is really humming right now, and it's because of the beautiful ball distribution. Oklahoma City trails by 3. Here's Gilgeous Alexander.
架住威未入樽。佢個威未睇住喺度。
哇！
Passes to Antetokounmpo. up on the wing.
架住高龍，
Yeah, but defensive board is better than that.
Yeah, you just can't afford to give up second chance opportunities again and again.
總後一定係我同 SJ 啊！
Here's the captain. Give him 8 points now.
會乜？
And now with a break. Here are the best passing teams in the NBA so far. Number 1, Los Angeles. In the third spot, Oklahoma City. These two squads move the ball with ease. They play an attractive brand of basketball.
我俾郵機字啊，好唔好啊？
郵機字跌咗啊！
That's also good. So he has 1 free throws. The Lakers in the lead. Here's Antetokounmpo. And stolen by Holmgren.
陰
呢就係組合我同 SJ 先會加組合。
Averaging almost 28 points a game. And another miss by Oklahoma City.
His touches left him in this quarter nowhere close to the kind of output they need from him.
Here's Buzelis. And a great assist by Antetokounmpo.
呢個好似係33至10，
Assists in the game.
2033去到
Oklahoma
2034，
City shooting just 25%
因為我喺度啊
in the
嘛。
first quarter.
2425。
And here is Antetokounmpo.
LeBron James。
Points in their last win. Yeah, not to mention a couple of blocks too, making his presence felt and broke into the floor.
Not his best night from the field, but looking for other ways to find him.
你唔好再入進喎，好喎你。
隔人入樽，
起碼要人，你起碼要阿咩陪我食啊？
我自己人嚟，超牌。
I think Giannis loves that kind of stuff right there. His dunks sometimes get vicious.
Now Gilgeous-Alexander. Well, Grant, even though it looks like LeBron could play forever, he stated that he doesn't have much time left. Well, it's unbelievable that he sustained this level of excellence for as long.
我要用間名銀行啊！
Wouldn't be surprised if we see this type of longevity.
用張名銀行級別啊！睇下易啲。
好勁啊！
Moving his way up the
咩啊
line now.？
22-17喎，黑場湖人領先喎。
Outside Gilgeous-Alexander. Oh, and he
錯，
There's gonna be a way to get out of this hole.
唔入波。
Antetokounmpo has got 14. And a closer look here at the hustle stats for Los Angeles.
哦，
我隻蛇王啊！
聽到啦，
教咗先啦，咪得唔記得嗱，摸落去玩㗎啦。
我教唔到啊！我拍緊片啊嘛。
The quickness in transition.
第三次再嚟啊！
Like watching Williams convert in these situations. Antetokounmpo with it. Guarded now by Williams.
哇！
Shot by James. No good.
Time for some consideration. Passing category, maybe. Shot just not on. Somebody else. Feels like another
我頂唔順你。
好快定。
wants to be the one to get the back.
Pass to Buzelis. Over Williams. And it's Buzelis that time on the assist from Antetokounmpo. And you see the potential Buzelis has as a shooter. This kid's upside is
睇唔到。
睇住我呢個入樽喎，Kobe 入樽，
Los Angeles now.
幫翻啊！
抄襲啊你！
Most of the arena was totally against them.
頭應該我順佢嘅啊嘛，
So they made good plays.
Yeah,
我咁呢入樽都得
turned
嘅。
into a massive scoring night. It wasn't so much about the game plan as it was establishing early confidence to get that win.
So it's Oklahoma City now. The Lakers getting their last shot to go. There's the drive. The captain misses. Gotta appreciate the aggressive defense he brings.
Well, it's about the defensive end, and that's what guys feed off. He gives the effort down there at all times.
Tipped away. And that's out of bounds. Oklahoma City will keep it.
咩乜嘢？
Wembyama.
Clock at 6. Laid it in, but nice touch on the pass. The Capitals got 18 points in the game.
This is a one-man show right now. He's on a mission to get him out of this hole.
T-shirt outside. Oh.
Got that one up quick. And the Lakers lead by 5. And Wemby's got the mid-range shot down. He's just so confident from there. So it's Oklahoma City now.
唔可以啊，爹哋要俾冷氣佢。
Williams in the post. And so it's Paul who brings up the ball for Los Angeles. Buzelis. And it's blocked. And they recover it.
我做身高優勢啊！
Here's the captain. Rebounded by the Lakers. Wembanyama's got 6 rebounds here tonight.
Oh.
And slammed in by Paul.
I'll tell you, such an advantage having a playmaker who can get up to the rim and finish.
Now that is what every team wants.
I like to see that assertiveness, especially from the guy who's going to the
唔得啊！
太勁啦！終於人半身啫我。
That was sweet. With the putback, controls the rebound and the putback. 18
18球，16分。
Let's start for him here in the first quarter. Gilgeous Alexander with the ball. Now guarded by Wembanyama. There's the 3.
咩事啊？我唔係會俾人撞，我唔係好勁嘅咩？我出冇受傷，如果受傷我咪。
And even after an airtight defense like that, you still just expect him to hit those kind of shots.
Rejected by James. They recover it.
Good by James。
Here's the captain. Lays it up and in. Nice reverse. The captain's guns running
你唔知 AC 啊佢哋？
Just an easy reverse for him. He has nice feel
勁啲所我係俾大領嘅。
同埋我聽到個交易咧，就喺賽季結束咗啦。西咩 Future 同埋 SGA 咧，同埋 Popovich 教練咧會話會去東岸嘅。
點解啊？我要去雷霆，雷霆。
佢冠軍都係賽爾特人啊！
唔會去，佢哋會，我教咗佢哋停止交易。
冇啊，冇得停止㗎，3年啊嘛。好入，第一節完啦，我哋轉頭再見，下條片繼續，拜拜。